What's up, y'all? It's Emile Ennis Jr. back here with Clevver News, and Doja Cat has revealed that she has tested positive for coronavirus just months after mocking it on social media and telling her fans to man up. I mean, isn't this just ironic? It looks like Doja Cat had to learn the hard way that the Rona does not play favorites and does not care how healthy and hydrated one has been over the past few months. The irony of today's news that Doja has contracted coronavirus comes a few months after she had mocked the severity of the coronavirus back in March, calling it a flu while insulting people who were taking it seriously. Fans might recall that Doja shared a surprising message with fans via Instagram Live to let everyone know that she's not scared of the virus.
I'm gonna get corona and then I'm gonna get a corona. Cause I don't give a about corona, bitch.
In her Instagram Live sesh, she proceeded to insult her fans, saying, "It's a flu. Y'all are you just take some Mucinex and drink water and tea and sleep. That's all you gotta do. Y'all are so scared of some damn corona that I need a corona." I mean, if you really want to get technical, there are plenty of proven reports and statistics that show the number of deaths that have been caused by the virus, but we'll save that for another day. Anyway, fast forward 5 months later, and Doja has just revealed during an interview on Capital Extra that she recently tested positive for coronavirus.
Stay home. I got COVID.
Oh no.
Honestly, I don't know how this happens.
Although Doja wasn't 100% sure how she contracted the virus, she assumed it was from ordering takeout one night. She said, quote, "I guess I ordered something off of Postmates and I don't know how I got it, but I got it." Doja revealed she is doing fine now, but that she underwent a 4-day symptom freakout which prompted her to get tested. Thankfully, she seems to be doing much better, so hopefully her entire mentality has changed regarding how severe this pandemic actually is. Fans, on the other hand, haven't exactly been as forgiving or sympathetic after Doja insulted them via her Instagram Live rant. After learning she had contracted the disease, one user wrote, "The fact that Doja Cat got COVID after making fun of people for being scared of COVID proves to me that karma is real." Another fan tweeted, "Read what she said about it, and well, if she refused to take proper precautions like it says there and other stuff she said, that's what she gets for it. Hope she learns from it and advocates to take it seriously." Doja then took to Instagram Live again to basically mock her past remarks surrounding the virus and is now taking everything back she previously said.
Remember like 5 minutes ago when I was on live and I was like, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. It's not scary. Take it back, bro.
We're glad she learned, but unfortunately she had to learn the hard way. And this isn't the first time that Doja has been under fire in recent months. Earlier this year, the hashtag Doja Cat is over party began trending as videos surfaced of Doja taking part in racist video chat groups. Shortly after that, her 2015 song Didn't Do Nothing resurfaced, in which the song title is a known racist slur popular among white supremacists, and of course, didn't slip past fans. Doja has since spoken out and issued an apology in a since deleted post on Instagram saying, quote, "I want to address what's been happening on Twitter. I've used public chat rooms to socialize since I was a child. I shouldn't have been on some of those chat room sites, but I personally have never been involved in any racist conversations. I'm sorry to everyone I offended." She has recently been back on her game, however, recently shading fans for attempting to cancel her over numerous racist accusations in the past. Last week, Doja basically called out hypocritical fans for also being racist, writing, quote, "Remember when people said I was black when I had a #1 alongside 3 other black women, but now the same people want to say I'm white? Maybe I'm not the one here with identity issues." But maybe it's best Doja takes some time to rest, get healthy, and get some much needed clarity before jumping back into the social media game, where fans don't exactly seem to be ready to forgive her just yet. But that's just me. But for more Hollywood news updates, click right over here for another Clevver News video, and then let us know your thoughts on this whole Doja Cat situation down in the comment section below. I'm your host, Emile Ennis Jr., and I'll see you soon right back here on Clevver News. Bye, guys.